To solve a two-step equation, we have to look for addition or subtraction first. In this case, we have addition, and the inverse operation is minus. So we're going to subtract 5 from both sides of the equal sign. And we're left with x divided by 6, or x over 6. And then we subtract 8 minus 5, and we get 3. And then we need to find the inverse of x over 6. And x over 6 means x divided by 6. So the inverse operation of division is multiplication, so we have to multiply both sides by 6. That just leaves us x on the left side, since the 6's cancel out. And on the right side we have 3 times 6, which is 18. So our final answer is x equals 18.